Hi there, welcome back to yet another review. Got a little bit off topic for the channel on this one, right? I've been on the lookout for a nice, pocketable, legal to carry EDC knife that's strong enough to keep up with the tasks that you're going to throw at it. Right, I was along at one of the suppliers that I use, a company called Bush Gear, right? And he had these, right, made by Outdoor Edge. Right, the one thing that we have in the UK, unfortunately, is some very stringent laws in relation to what we can carry in public. Right, anything over 3 inches in blade length that locks, you could have a problem. Anything under, any locking blade at all can cause problems. Well, this one seemed to tick all the boxes for what I wanted. I wanted something simple, single blade. Right, this is made out of a 7CR17 MOV stainless steel. Right, doesn't mean a huge amount to me, but what I can say is it does take a very, very nice edge. It's hollow ground. This is straight out of the box. This hasn't been sharpened at all. And taking into consideration the actual cost of the knife, it's sharp and it's a very pleasant thing to find. Right, the scales are G10. They're a nice sort of British racing green, if that means anything to you. Hopefully you can see it. Right, got a bit of a funny problem with the lighting on this, but there you go. Right, it's incredibly well made. I mean, there's no blade wobble at all. It's got a lovely smooth action to it. Right, when the blade's locked in, it snaps in, and when it's out, it's out. There's a lot of resistance there from the back spring, right, which is nice. So I've got very, very large hands, right. This is a nice fit. Right, Lambsfoot grind right on the blade. Excuse me. Right, nice thumbnail nick in there, and it's a nice big thumbnail nick. Some of the ones you get, they're just too small to be of any use. Right, looks like brass liners in there. Right, may well be. Right, the actual finish of the knife, the way the scales are finished against the bolsters, right against the back here, it is nicely finished. Right, I'm not going to say how much this was yet, right, because not only do you get the knife, but it also comes with a very handy cool nylon belt pouch. Right, it's got their logo, right, embroidered on the front there for you. Right, Outdoor Edge. Right, it allows for horizontal or vertical carry. Right, it's Velcro closure as you'd expect. It's very slight. I don't think it's intentionally padded, but it's slightly padded, but it's a nice fit. It keeps it out of your pocket and away from your mobile or whatever what you might normally carry in your pocket. I really was quite surprised when I saw this. It was in the display cabinet and there was no price on it, and I picked it up and I thought, well, here we go. Right, knowing how some of these knives cost, I think it was £20. And the guy said that if you actually ordered it off of his website, it would be £20 including UK delivery. Right, so, you know, I mean, at the end of the day, right, you've got yourself a nice legal to carry knife that falls into UK law, right, for £20 delivered. Right, and I just thought to myself, I've got to run a review on this because at the end of the day, it's worthy of the time. Right, so if you're looking for a legal EDC knife, right, that's going to stand the test of time, I think this is the baby. As long as you're looking for something that's not going to break the bank, and this certainly won't do that. Right, if you look on the end of the review video, right, you'll actually see the web address of the guy that's selling these, and feel free to go order one. I would actually suggest you have a look around at his website. I've got no connection other than the fact I'm just a customer. Right, it's the same with all of these reviews. There's no actual connection to any of the companies that supply any of the products that you'll see reviewed here. So I mean, just take a look round. Right, there's some pretty natty gear there. The one thing I will say, right, and I ain't gonna blow his trumpet a bit for him, I've never bought a piece of junk from him. Right, and that's saying something, because I mean, sometimes you've got to be a bit careful what you buy online, but I say I've never had any rubbish. I've never had a problem right off of this guy. Right, so I think it's down to the fact that he personally selects the products that you'll see on sale on there and actually uses them as samples and tests them before I stock them. Right, but have a look. Right, if you've got any queries or questions, by all means drop me an email. Right, and if I can't find the answer, well, if I don't know the answer myself, I'll see if I can find the answers for you. But thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and at the end of the day, right, hopefully you'll find some products there that you'll like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.